Today we will introduce how to use Tailscale on ARKKVM to remotely manage machines. Everyone can see my window. Here I have connected to the local device managed by ARKKVM through the LAN. Then I will open the settings now. One thing to note is that you need to keep your ARKKVM device up to date. You can see that the latest version here is 0.3. You can click check for updates if any. If there is a new version, just use the new version. We choose network here. Check some of your local configurations. Let me turn off the local HTTP proxy first. Click save here. OK, what about after removing the local network proxy? We select the access interface. Last time we have used ARKKVM Cloud to access this machine. At this time we use private network. Here you can see that the latest system has built-in Tailscale function. At this time I open Tailscale. You can see it after opening it. I need to log in here. Let's click on Tailscale. Jump to a new page to log in. Already logged in successfully on another page. The login process is to log in using your Tailscale account. Let's refresh this time. Let's click on Access again. You can see that Tailscale is connected. Here is your Tailscale account, including its status, yes, and IP. Then we copy the IP at this time. At this time we open our local Tailscale. Remember to connect the status of connect. You can see that we already have. I have this new KVM device. Here is its IP. At this time, we copy this IP, and then open a new browser window to see if you can access it. Here we enter the IP address of the KVM generated on Tailscale. Here we enter the address of the new Tailscale. Note that this address is the address in the private network within the Tailscale LAN. We still need to enter our password. OK, you can see that we have logged into this machine at this time. This time is a demonstration of the basic functions of connecting ARKKVM through Tailscale. Relatively simple. If you have any questions, welcome to discuss at any time in the comment area.